for the Wawa coffee, man. Here's $3.50. So cheap. I'm such a ripoff.
Good.
I'm totally telling Maya about how bad this coffee is. Hey, Wawa.
Did you just get coffee from Wawa?
Yeah.
You guys need to try Tatane's coffee.
Is that new?
Yes, just opened in Springhouse. So good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, want to try some?
Totally.
Hand me this junk. No more Wawa. Time to try Tatane's new and improved coffee.
Oh my God! It's so good!
I
you were
love it.
totally right. I'm totally telling Maya about this. Good idea.